Hey buds, I am really lucky and I've been given a bounty of strawberries and access to someone else's patch. So I will definitely be making our favorite summer berry pie, which we featured in an earlier video. But I also want to go on a journey today with you guys and make something on the other side of the spectrum. This time using wild spinach or lamb's quarters, which we've looked at before, to make a wild spinach salad for those days when you need something refreshing and you happen to have strawberries on hand.